is with skilled labor, whatever programs you introduce needs to be collaborated with our government and needs to the message needs to be through proper media channels. Why? Because Pakistan is facing a huge issue as far as human trafficking is concerned. So
we have people coming to Australia
yes,
via boat illegally
exactly
into Australia at the moment.
So right now our youth or whoever is the right candidate needs to be advised properly what the proper channel is. So what we would like is that you share whatever kind of scholarships or programs you're introducing with the concerned departments at the government as well, so that we give the media the proper information, so the candidates are well aware of the fact that which programs or scholarships are certified.